Can you strengthen without equipment? Yes, you can absolutely strengthen your body without any equipment. In fact, bodyweight exercises have been used for centuries to build muscle, improve endurance, and enhance overall physical health. Whether you're at home, traveling, or just prefer not to use gym machines or weights, there are many effective ways to get stronger using only your body. Bodyweight training focuses on using your own mass as resistance. Exercises like push-ups, squats, lunges, planks, and burpees all fall under this category. These movements work major muscle groups and can be easily modified to match your fitness level. For example, a beginner might start with wall push-ups or knee push-ups, while a more advanced individual might perform clap push-ups or one-arm push-ups. This flexibility makes bodyweight training accessible to virtually everyone. One of the greatest benefits of equipment-free training is that it improves functional strength. Functional strength refers to the ability to perform everyday tasks more efficiently, such as lifting groceries, climbing stairs, or playing with your kids. Exercises like squats and lunges mimic real-world movements and strengthen the muscles you use most frequently in daily life. Another advantage is the improvement of core strength and stability. Movements like planks, mountain climbers, and leg raises target the core muscles, which are essential for balance, posture, and injury prevention. A strong core supports almost every movement your body makes, from lifting to running to standing upright. Progression is also possible without weights. As your muscles adapt to certain exercises, you can make them more challenging by adjusting variables like tempo, repetitions, sets, or rest time. You can also move on to more difficult versions of each exercise. For example, after mastering standard squats, you can try single leg squats, pistol squats, or jump squats to increase difficulty and boost explosive power. In addition to strength, bodyweight exercises often improve flexibility, coordination, and cardiovascular health. Many bodyweight routines incorporate high-intensity interval training (HIIT), which involves short bursts of intense movement followed by brief recovery periods. HIIT is great for building strength and burning fat at the same time. Despite these advantages, it's important to maintain proper form to avoid injury. Just because equipment isn't involved doesn't mean you can skip technique. Poor form can lead to muscle imbalances or strains, so it's wise to start slowly. Focus on control, and consider video tutorials or a fitness coach if you're unsure about your movements. In conclusion, yes, you can absolutely build strength without equipment. With dedication, the right techniques, and a structured routine, you can improve muscle tone, build endurance, and become physically stronger without stepping foot in a gym. All it takes is commitment and the willingness to push your body using. Like, subscribe, follow for your free back pain relief ebook.